Hello everyone. This video is going to show you how to find the measures of variability in a data set. So the measures of variability are your range, your variance or sample variance, and your standard deviation. What we are looking at is the whole population of Major League Baseball teams, so it's just called variance. If we were to choose only 10 of those teams, that's when it becomes a sample variance, when you're looking at something that's not the whole population. The way you find it is the exact same. It's just whether you call it a sample variance or a variance. So the first thing we're going to start with to see how widely spread our data set is we're going to find the range. And the range is simply taking your maximum number and subtracting your minimum. What's the difference in between? So just like I said, we're going to type that in. Equals your max, so maximum, and then we've got to type in our data set, which again is still, we're looking at D3 down through D32. So we take our maximum and then we subtract our minimum and we type in min. And then again, we're doing D3 colon D32. And when you type that in just like that, so it should look equals max D3 to D32 minus your min D3 to D32, hit enter, and we see our range is a difference of 23. And again, we're going to get that error. It's telling us that you didn't include 33 and 34, and we don't want to because that's the average in league totals. So we're just going to, again, ignore that error. So that's pretty simple. So next we've got our variance. So what we're doing here is we are again going to type in var, and we're going to do S for sample. And again, type in that D3 to D32. And we get 18.66. And we're going to ignore that error telling us you omitted some cells. And then we're looking at our standard deviation as well. In standard deviation, there is, again, standard deviation S is the one we're going to choose instead of P or A. And type in your sample size or your sample range to D32. And we get a standard deviation of 4. Again, there is another way to do this. And so what we could also do is go into that data and the data analysis. And again, looking at your descriptive statistics, click OK. And we're going to put our output in that F36. We want our summary statistics from D3 to D32. Click OK. And let's see if we got the same things. It looks like our standard deviation was 4.3, same thing here. Sample variance, 18.66. And then our range is 23. They also give you your max and your min, which you could have found also, but instead we just put it into one formula to find the range. So again, you could just have those 3 from your descriptive statistics, or you could actually use the Excel formulas and figure it out for yourself. And so these 3 tell you how much variability you have in your data set.